Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. Welcome to day 20, the final day of 20 days of Christmas Cutfiles with Confessions of a Paper Addict. I decided to grab this Split Stars. It's a new release. I have cut it out of pattern paper. I've cut it out of one of my new Paper Studio paper pads, blah 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 blah, that I got from Joann's on one of my hauls. Oh no, not Paper Studio, Park Lane, sorry. Pardon my mix up there. Park Lane paper pads. This one is, which one is this one? New Traditions. So it was this paper right here. Let me see if I can find it in the hole so you can see it again. Right here. This is the paper I chose. So I cut out my stars. Today's prompt is stamping. Oh gosh. So I will be getting some stamps out as well. I'm going to do it on white cardstock. So I don't know, maybe I will find some cream cardstock because I can't, this is a lot of creams in this. We'll see. I kept the insides. I think I'm going to back some of them with the reverse side of the cut file, wherever they fit. I haven't decided for sure what I was gonna do. I might also back some of them with some of these papers in the greens to kind of bring that out, but I really like this cut file, and what Virginia did to it, was it last week? Yeah, about a week ago for the stars. It looks amazing. So I'm going to go dig through my stash, figure out what photos I'm going to use, and kind of start making a plan. But I want to stamp on the background to get a nice starry effect. So let me gather my things and we'll check back in with you. So I decided to go the red and blue route for this one. So I took some shimmers. I took Rockefeller Blues, which is another one that I didn't realize I was so low on, so there's like barely anything left, and Rose Gold Red because it was a deep red, as well as that Mica Mist and Tarnished Brass that I just got, and I just kind of swirled it. I have some nice heavy cardstock, so it didn't warp a lot, but then I also matted it on the same paper that I cut the stars out on from that paper pad, so you can see it doesn't want to stick in some spots, but so I matted it, and that helps keep it down as well. Now we're gonna stamp. First I want to draw a line around the edge in black because that's just going to help anchor our page, because I'm going to stamp, I think, mostly in black. I don't know how big I want my stars to get stamped. I do have some slightly bigger ones, but nothing like huge. I'll just do a messy outline. Oh my. I'm going to stamp some of my title. I can maybe stamp more of it if, oh my gosh, move. If I can find the stamps. My stamp organization is one of those things where I thought I had a really good system, and then after I started working with, I don't like it. So I gotta fix it. Why did my first one turn out so straight? And then why is everything in the way? Only sometimes. Okay. Alright. And I kind of sprayed in the shape of this, if that makes sense. I just made sure I sprayed. But I have this adorable photo of my son, which is what we're going to use. And I want to do the title of You're My Christmas Wish. But I went through my stamps and found all the stars I have. So I have this cluster of stars from Head in the Clouds, Chamel. I have this larger star from L Studio. This was the Sketch to Finish Volume 6 stamp set. So I have this bigger one. I also have this one, but I don't think I'm going to use that one. That's too big. But I have this medium one. And then I have two other stamps from, like this, Merry and Bright, and those two stamps. And I want my title to be You Are My Christmas Wish. So I have holiday wishes. So I wanted the word wish. So I'm going to cover up holiday and is. Yes. So I have my word wish. So I've got that ready. I haven't decided if I'm going to back some of those yet. So I still have the insides, but we're just going to start stamping. Here. Okay. And then one up there. And just stamp this guy. I should probably glue this down because everything's shifted so much. I don't know really what's going to get covered up or not, but the more stars the better. All right, I think that's enough of that. If not, I'll leave it out. All right, there's all my stamping. I grabbed this little ledger tab thing from my Elle Studio haul I recently got, and I stamped Christmas Wish, and then I used some thickers, did my I think we're going to keep it really simple. I don't know if I want to fill in these, some of these. That one's too big. That one's too big. Is this one too big? No, but it doesn't quite fit. But we're getting somewhere. There. Now there's like 2 in each. Cute. Okay. I'm gonna call it. I might find other things to tuck around, but I think for now, that's what it's gonna be. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. We'll see you next time. I hope you enjoyed the 20 days of Christmas cut files. I only have 2 that I have partially done. I didn't get to post yet, so I will be posting those soon. And I appreciate you. We'll see you next time. Bye.